immunity turmeric soup. And we've been cooking the onions and the carrots and the celery on the wood stove, which is very hot. And now we're just adding the finishing touches to it. And it's been cooking for about a half hour, I would say, at least. And the recipe for this soup can be found in the comments section of the video. I'm adding kale and cauliflower that has been chopped up to this soup. And next I will be adding beans, and they are navy beans, and it will all simmer together and the flavors will be wonderful. It's beautiful soup. Okay. Thank you. And then in go the beans. And these are the finishing touches that you add in near the end so that they don't overcook. Oh. There we go. All right, I'm going to put the lid on the soup and it will come to a simmer. And I want to talk about this stove a little bit for cooking. This is a wonderful stove. And the fire just is so hot. It heats up so well because the more distance between the fire and the top, the less heat that you have directly under the pans. So with this stove, I really like it because it has a flat cooking surface opposed to other stoves that have steps or even an older T-top stove. So if you are buying a stove to cook on, I recommend a flat top for your cooking needs.
To be aware of new videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the Preparing for the Time of Trouble channel. For more free videos and downloadable audio podcasts, as well as handouts, go to www.preparingforthetimeoftrouble.com. Topic categories include recordings of live seminar presentations, country living, sustainable gardening, homestead remedies, how to be self-sufficient when the grid goes down, wild edible and medicinal plants, hydrotherapy, and end-time Bible prophecies. To take advantage of these free resources, go to preparingforthetimeoftrouble.com.